guys, how you doing? So we're at home for once. Yay! And while we're at home, we were thinking, what could we do to be interactive with you guys? So we decided a bit of a Q&A.
Do a Q&A with you guys. We're not doing it today, mind.
No, don't
This
get
is
too
just
excited.
a video to let you know that we're gonna do a Q&A. And if you want to ask us a question, then you can ask us in the comments below.
Or you can come over to the Instagram channel at Rolling Rucks. Sorry, the Rolling Rucks.
The Rolling
I don't know
Rucks.
why I said at Rolling Rucks then.
But you can send us a message there as well.
Yeah, you can comment on any of our many pictures that are on there, or you can privately message us the comment question. So yeah, giggling mess. Basically been like this all night.
We've been trying to record this video for the last 20 minutes.
Can't do it.
Charles' brother's here, he's recording all the outtakes, and we're struggling to get this video out for you. We just want to tell you we're going to do a Q&A, guys, and if you want to ask us a question, crack on and put a comment down.
Yeah.
Happy days.
We'd really appreciate it. Because otherwise we're going to look like right idiots next week when we load this and there's no questions.
So, ask us a question in the comment below.
Send it on Instagram.
Job done.
Lovely.
Till next time.
See you in a bit.